Hello, today is the 21st of February, and today this is the lead code POTD. Find elements in a contaminated binary tree. In this, we have given a binary tree. In this, the value of the root in the means contaminated binary tree. In this, all values are -1, and we have specified the root values 0. And for any tree node, x is left is if it is not null, then it is value is 2 into x plus 1 if and for right it is 2x plus 2. Okay, now the all the elements of binary tree, all the nodes of binary tree is contaminated. Okay, now we have to be make all the contaminated to non contaminated. Okay, by replacing by the values. Okay, with these instructions which are given above. Okay, we have all the minus ones in a binary tree. Okay, we have to implement a class. In this we have given instructions how we can do it, and the last we to return the target. Okay, if it is in the binary tree, after changing all the elements, making it non-contaminated, if it element present, then you have to return true, otherwise you have to return false. Okay, this is an example. This is our tree -1 -1. Just we make the value of root 0, and the right is 0 into 2 plus 1. Okay, if it is left occurs into 0 into 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 2, but it is not, so here 2. So now we have to check find. Okay, 2 it is present. Okay, so we can they return true, and find for 1 we have written false. Okay, let's just see that case. Okay, in this you can see the -1 initially 0, then its left is 1, and its right is 2. Okay, now once left is 1 into 1 plus 1. Okay, so 3, 1 into 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Okay, now we can say that check that these all the numbers, if it is in this tree, just return true, and if it is not, just return false. Okay, and for this test case also you can do it. Okay, now these are the constraints you can read, because the constraints is very necessary, and given the here tree node values given. Okay, all that nodes at values is equal to -1 in a non-contaminated binary in contaminated binary tree. Okay, and the height of binary tree is less than or is equal to 20, and the total number of nodes is between 1 to 23 power 4, and total number of calls is also our is same as the number of nodes. Okay, now we can see that the how can it is changing. Let's see this test case. -1 -1 -1 -1. Okay, it is initially 0. We can set it 0. We can use BFS or DFS to convert it. You can easily simple approach BFS DFS. Just come to it. If it is left is present, just take it and make it 2x plus 1, and make it 2x plus 2. Okay, let's suppose it is x, and change it all. Okay, we can use DFS BFS. Okay, just as you know, and we can save all the values in a set or map, just like you want. Just count 0 1 2 and check if it is not last we have to check the target is present, then we can check if it is present, then we have to return true, otherwise we return false. Okay, just in case you can see that. Yeah, 1 second just. Yeah, we have a root. Another, I take a set to store the values, and just I call the BFS in the find elements BFS root by passing in this. What I did, I use BFS approach. I can use DFS, but it takes a long time, because it traverses up to a node more and more. But in this we can directly approach, and you can see that approximate same complexity, but you can prefer BFS. Okay, it's simple, or quite simple. You can use DFS also, the same complexity about, just take a queue of tree node and just push root and change the root value 0, because it is to be explicitly changed. It is to be changed explicitly because it is mentioned in the question. Okay, now we have to just basically simple approach, and in the main, and you can see that is the you can see that the how can we apply the DFS, the common method that we check the if it is queue is empty. If not empty, we can just run the loop until the queue is not empty. Okay, I take a front and insert it value, and just pop it. If it left occurs, then I just insert the change. Firstly I change the value of that node if it is left occurs, and just insert in the queue, and if it is right, then I just make it right for us. Okay, okay, then what I do, I just take a target variable and check. We have to check that if it is present in the target is present, then you have to return true, otherwise you have to return false. Okay, just if it is not, so just return false. If it is return true. Okay, let's just run this code. Now you can see that. Just 1 minute. Okay, 1 second. All the test cases passed, just you can see that. Okay, submit this code. Okay, and it yes, all the test cases passed with 82%. It beats 82% users. Okay, if you like the solution and the way of approaching me, although I know today's the speed of my explaining is very fast, but you can watch it in on 1x. Okay, it is okay. If you like the video, just like and something comment good which motivates you. Okay, thanks.